these skies of a different light. White noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay. Caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling home to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to another Android video tutorial. In this video we'll be teaching you guys how you can manually add Android screen light protection for an Android phone. Basically this very tutorial is made for those guys that are holding an Android phone that is not with an Android high protection light. Okay, you can easily find that at the top widget bar of your Android phone. You can easily find it here and turn it on. With this very tutorial you could be able to add that very widget here, and then you can easily turn it on and get the auto rotation light of a such like this. Okay, with this very tutorial it will walk you through. Now let's get started, but before that I quickly invite you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. After subscribing, make sure you hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss my future video. Now let's go. Firstly we need this requirement, this software to help us activate this, and that is all. Okay, now open your Chrome browser, there you search on Google. Okay, you search on this very keyword, blue light filter. Okay, APK. Now there are tons of different applications that does this very activity, but I recommend using this very application on this very software. Here you see it. Click on this blue light filter for high. There you can easily get it installed from the Play Store or from Google. Now after downloading it, there you have to activate it. Okay, now you click on the software or the application, then you have to make sure you accept their policy. Okay, you are agreeing on their policy. Then as you can see, it's giving me an auto rotation. Here we go. Alright, you can easily select the screen display color of your Android phone. Then after that you make sure that you always turn it on, which is recommendable. You turn it on, which it will help you to display this widget here. Then let's see how we can add it here. Let's see how we can easily add it here. Now you move back to your Android home screen, then you click on this very edit. Then after drawing your Android bar widget, there you click on that, then you scroll down and click on this. You have to click hold it. After click holding it, it will give you the option of drawing it. There you drag it and paste it here. Then after that you are done. Alright, now that is how you can easily add that very widget for your Android phone. Now let's see if it actually works. Okay, now after drawing it, there you can see it here. You can easily turn it off and then turn it on. Okay, that is how you can easily add hard-drawn screen light protection for your eye care on your Android phone. Now if you like this video, don't forget to help me smash the thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you select the bell icon. Comment your trial. If you face any difficulties while implementing this very video, you can comment it down this very comment box of this very video. If I found your comment, I'm going to answer the best answer that I can. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you select the bell icon for more video tutorial like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in my next video.